Okay, let's make some falafel. I have a 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans that I drained and rinsed. Didn't want to drag out my big food processor, so I think I'm going to have to pulse this a little bit before we add the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to add about half a cup of chopped onion. Now I'm going to add about a half a cup of fresh parsley. Okay, I have 1 heaping tablespoon of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, salt and pepper to taste. I have about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon or so of black pepper, and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, which I forgot to buy fresh today, so I'm cheating and using the jar stuff. That happens. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I will add another teaspoon if I feel that we need to. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pulse this until it gets to the consistency I like. I think this is looking pretty good. Okay, I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl. I don't know how well you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this up, pop it in the refrigerator for a good 30 minutes to an hour. I want this mixture to firm up a little bit so it'll be easier for us to handle. Plus then this can sit and marinate in its wonderfulness. Okay, I'm back. This was in the refrigerator for 45 minutes. I couldn't wait any longer. I am starving. I'm just going to take my cookie scoop and scoop a big heap out. Now this is going to feel a little wet. Don't worry. Now you can shape these and make these as big as you like. I think I'm just going to go ahead and make little patties like that. Move this over for a minute. I'm going to be using parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, I would lightly spray your basket first. Just going to go ahead and pop that in there. Okay. If you are interested in the parchment paper, I get these off Amazon. I will leave the link down below. Okay, we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I'm going to put the temperature on 400 degrees and we're going to go for 12 minutes to start off with. And as always, I will check it halfway through. Okay, we are halfway in and I am wondering if I should have sprayed these a little bit with oil so it will brown up. I am just going to go ahead and spray these lightly with some olive oil in hopes that these will brown up a little bit. I think I'm just going to go ahead and use this one and give me a finer spray. Okay, I'm going to let these go for a little bit longer on this side. We are 10 minutes in. I think I'm going to go ahead. They're starting to get a little golden brown on top. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, and I think I'm going to have to sit these down to do that because I'm going to have to be very careful, I think, not to break these. All right, let me tell you what I got going on here. I highly recommend parchment paper. Even with the parchment paper, they wanted to stick. All of these but one. And they wanted to fall apart. If they fall apart, just kind of reshape them because they are still soft enough. I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I'm going to cancel out of our time. We went 10 minutes. I'm going to do 5 more minutes on the other side, and then we're going to peek at it and see if it's ready or if it needs to go any longer. Okay. Let's see what we have going on. Oh, Look at that. You know, I really thought this was going to be a fail video, but these turned out awesome. Okay, I really need to work on my lighting. I am totally aware of that. I'm anxious to take a bite. Very good. You can taste that cumin, the coriander. It's good like this, or you can serve it with tzatziki sauce, hummus, put it in a pita. I'm very pleased on how this turned out. Okay, there's a better picture of the true color, I think. I'd like to thank my new subscribers real quick and also give a shout out to Cooking with Doug and his Cook Essentials Air Fryer group on Facebook. You guys, he has over 46,000 members. People are always posting pictures of their lovely creations and recipes. It's just mind-blowing on some of the stuff they come up with. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'm going to leave a link below. Also, I know a lot of you are already subscribed with Cooking with Doug or have heard of them. You need to check him out. He does air frying recipes. He also does Instapot recipes and other things. I'm telling you, Doug has every kitchen gadget I think there is. It's just amazing on what he's got. He's going to need a bigger kitchen here pretty soon. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.